Hi traders, welcome back to another trade recap. It's been a while since I did my last trade recap. It was on Aussie dollar as well. Absolutely smashing Aussie dollar in March and April. This one I'm not sure, but just closed an Aussie dollar trade for about 4.5R. In between, I actually had a lot of winners as well, lots of winning trades, but I just didn't make a video on them because I was really busy for the past. And this weekend I got my baby's one years old birthday. Next month I'm going to Japan for a whole month, so really busy month ahead in May. So if you look at the chart here, let's jump straight into the chart. This trade lasted for about, let me see, about 16 hours. Not a quick trade, but relatively clean price action. Nearly zero drawdown, and one good thing about this position was that I took the trade and I just let it run overnight. And this morning when I woke up, I saw price went into 2R. Then I was doing a bit of my community stuff, recording our trade calls. Then price just go all the way into my target. So the entire logic started from all of this sell-off. So when price had that aggressive sell-off, I was being a little bit skeptical on whether if buyers are really stepping in, because lots of these sells, I consider them as a pullback. But of course, on a high time frames, this looks like a bear flag, and the fact that price bounced off the 20 and the 50 tells me that potentially we are really shifting downwards on the high time frame. But what's the main reason why I went long again? That's because when I look at that aggressive sell, it sort of hit a floor the moment it went to 66.25, and that 66.25 also confluenced with one of our significant swing low point. So imagine when price is dropping aggressively and all of a sudden it just stop or hold. That is a massive sign of disagreement. Sort of like a couple arguing with each other, that kind of feeling, right? If you start dropping down to the 15 or maybe even 5, you can see right when price just slightly dip under the 66.25, we form a descending channel, or you can call it a falling wedge as well. I don't try to really give it a name, but let's call it a reversal pattern. It starts forming this reversal pattern, picture perfect, almost a textbook style descending channel, and then we start reversing. And when I go to bed, price was right there, so I was actually positive, very small when I went to bed. Then price overnight just keep pushing up in the late New York session, early Asian session, just pushing higher and higher, and just hit my target. So why did I have my target there? Was because I was trying to be a little bit safe here. The recent market condition has been extremely back and forth. A lot of my positions, if I did not exit at the right spot, it would have been resulted in a loss. If I were to show you one of my short setups on pound yen, you can actually see I also took a short on pound yen yesterday, closed for about 12 to 13,000 as well. Yesterday was a good day for me as well. Did not record any trade recap, I don't have the time, but if I did not close the position on time, it would have run all the way up. That's why recently I've been being really conservative with my target, because I'm really trying to avoid that kind of high quality setup where price runs into 3R, but then it starts chugging there and then reverse all the way into your stop. So that's it for the technical side. Just as a proof, you actually see close the trade on Aussie dollar for about 13,400 bucks. That's it for the trade recap. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let me know what would you like me to cover in our upcoming videos. Trade safe, take care, I'll talk to you all later. Bye bye.